Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common QuickBooks query: how to change your credit card account number in QuickBooks for 2025. Whether you're dealing with a new card, an error, or just updating your records, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and efficiently. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing finances, but even simple tasks like this can trip people up. So let's dive right in and make it straightforward. First, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online or desktop account. If you're using the 2025 version, you'll notice some updated interfaces, but the process is user-friendly. Start by clicking on the Accounting tab in the left-hand menu. This takes you to the chart of accounts, where all your financial accounts are listed. Next, locate your credit card account in the list. You can use the search bar at the top to find it faster if you have multiple accounts. Once you spot it, click on the account name to open its details page. Now, look for the Edit or Manage button, usually found at the top right or within the account summary. In the Edit mode, you'll see various fields for the account information. Scroll down or navigate to the section labeled Account Details or Banking Information. Here, find the field for the account number. Carefully enter the new number to avoid any typos that could cause reconciliation issues later. After updating, take a moment to review all the details for accuracy. Once you're confident, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. QuickBooks will process the change, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Remember, after making changes, it's a smart idea to run a quick reconciliation to ensure your books are balanced. If you encounter any hiccups, QuickBooks has excellent help resources, or drop a comment below for tips. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one. Stay organized.